Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Rhino tutorial how to convert mesh to surface. So as example, I will draw objects here and I will convert this object into mesh. You can select, type mesh, press enter and you can click OK. Now in here we have mesh object. You can move into here and I will delete this default object. If you want to convert this mesh into surface, you can use mesh to noob tools, type mesh to noob, press enter, and if you select, there are two options, poly surface. So that's it for a basic Rhino tutorial, how to convert mesh into surface. Okay, that's it for basic Rhino tutorial. And if you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.